Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how toothpaste is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Check the seals on the fluoride compounds. Looks good. All green for shipment.
This precise blending process ensures the ideal balance of texture, flavor, and ultimately the highest cleaning efficiency for our toothpaste.
We carefully balance the mixture for optimal texture, flavor, and of course, cleaning efficiency.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how toothpaste is made, from start to finish, And that's how toothpaste is made, frayed from start to finish.